Welcome to Motorbike News channel. Suspension components get the traditional treatment with 41mm, right side up front forks that provide a tolerable 4.7 inches of wheel travel. The rear shocks are rather short, and while they don't enjoy the piggyback gas cylinders like the Bolt R-Spec, they do provide the same 2.8 inches of wheel travel. The 19-inch front and 16-inch rear Bridgestone tires keep things nice and low on their 12-spoke, cast aluminum rims. Since it's a small bike, it can get away with a single front brake, so the 298mm discs, one each front and rear, seem to be adequate for the job. An air-cooled, 60-degree V-twin completes the classic American look with a bit of style, sure to please the domestic crowd. The 58 cubic inch, 942 cubic centimeters, engine boasts 4 valve heads, fuel injection, and a transistorized ignition. Bore and stroke are nearly square at 85mm and 83mm, respectively, and the compression ratio is low at 9.0 to 1. A 5-speed transmission and belt make up the final drive, and while I might wish for a 6th gear, the bottom line is, the Bolt makes a great bar hopper or around town bike, but not so much on the highway, so that 6th gear probably isn't all that important.